Hello, welcome to a quick crash course on reading music notes. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to read those mysterious symbols on the music sheet. Whether you are a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will have you reading music in no time. Let's start. First thing first, let's talk about the staff. The staff is a set of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Each line and space correspond to one of the white keys on the piano. When you have 2 staves connected by a brace, it's called a grand staff. This symbol is very common in piano music, where the grand staff is spread between right and left hands. On the higher staff, you'll see the notes for your right hand, and on the lower staff, you'll see the notes for your left hand. The treble clef is often found at the beginning of the staff. It's also known as G clef because it curls around the second line from the bottom, which represents the note G. This clef is typically used for right hand on the piano. Next up is the bass clef, also known as the F clef. It looks like a backward C with 2 dots. The 2 dots surrounded the line representing the note F. The bass clef is usually used for the left hand on the piano. And remember, when notes are going up means higher in pitch and down means lower in pitch. Now let's learn the notes. 2 easiest notes to remember are middle C and bass F. Middle C is 1 ledger line below the treble clef and 1 ledger line above the bass clef, which puts it exactly in between them in the middle of the grand staff. And bass F is the line notes between 2 dots in bass clef. And this is what I want you to do. Practice saying G, B, D, F, A, C, E, G, B, D, F. G, B, D, F, A, C, E, G, B, D, F. Repeat this 3 to 5 times a day till you can say it without thinking. These are the line notes from bottom to top. Once you can say this without any problem, for space notes, you just have to go either a step up or a step down. Or you can use this saying that associate with the lines of the treble clef is every good boy deserves fudge. The spaces of the treble clef from bottom to top is FACE, the face. And for the bass clef line notes are good boys deserve fudge always. And for the space notes, we can remember as all cows eat glass. Remember, it's always go from the bottom to the top. Now you've just completed a crash course in reading music notes. While this overview is a great starting point, remember that mastering music notation takes practice and patience. So keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be reading music like a pro. Happy playing!